If you have an amazing photo, but there's one small inconsistency in it, you can easily remove that with no problem. So let's get rid of my purse. I'm going to zoom in with my zoom tool into the image right here. Then I'm going to use the lasso tool. It's the third tool down and it's one of your selection tool options. I'm going to create a rough sketch around the purse, right click, and then select fill. Make sure content aware is selected and then click OK. Purse is now immediately removed. Now it isn't perfect. There are some missing lines right here, but I can quickly fill that in with my brush tool. So let's sample some color. Let's make the brush size smaller. We're going to sample the color of the background. Then go back to my brush tool. Use your bracket keys to make the brush smaller or larger. Just going to dot out some of that extra space right there. Go back, sample some more color so it's perfect. Dot that out. Then there is a missing line along the bench, so I'm going to use my clone stamps tool, alt click along this line to define a source point, and then I'm just going to go around and recreate that bench line. Now I could do a little bit more brushwork on the bench just to make it perfect, but overall, that's how you get rid of an unwanted item easily and quickly.